What is that shit? You're about to die, bitch. I don't give a fuck about bugs. Like, no. Not in my house. I don't play that shit. Another video. As you can see, it is nighttime yet again. I apologize, but then I'm kind of not sorry because this is my life. I film at night because that is usually when I do all my cleaning. I do a little bit of touching up during the day, but majority of my cleaning takes place at night. So yeah, today is going to be another clean with me type of video. I don't have a whole lot to clean. It's mainly just picking up. I do need to sweep and mop, so you will see that. Also, before we get into it, I am having a lighting issue. As you can see, it is pretty dim in here. I'm trying to fix it. We got some daylight lights in here and it was just way too bright. And then I also did a new light fixture in the dining room, so that took away a good chunk of our lighting in our downstairs, like the main floor. So yeah, bear with me. I'm waiting until we can get some lights. Right now it's a little iffy, but yeah, if you guys want to get some cleaning motivation, I don't know if it's nighttime and you have that load of laundry or that sink of dishes and you're just not feeling up to cleaning, maybe watching me clean my house will give you some of that motivation that you need to get up and do it. I don't know. Let's just start.
Sometimes I say that I want you back, but I don't know if I do. Sometimes I think about the good days we had, but they were bad days too. And I know love is like the phases of the moon. And I know you would say I gave up way too soon. So what's gone is gone. Now we both moved on. Oh, that's la la life. That's la la life. Baby, let it be. Enjoy the memory. Oh, that's la la life. That's la la life. And I know love is like the phases of the moon. And I know you would say I gave up way too soon. Sitting throwing rocks across the pavement, hoping it'll cave in and swallow me whole. Wondering why my mind keeps on spinning. This isn't how I live.
Oh my gosh, you guys, like this, you freaking kidding me? Look at that! What is that shit? You're about to die, bitch. I am like dead serious. I don't give a fuck about bugs. Like, no, it's not in my house. I don't play that shit. Where'd it go? Ah! Okay, back to cleaning.
Listen, I can see the light of day, but I can also see the bones decay. I don't know what else there is to say. I'm doing my best not to run away. Sitting throwing rocks across the pavement, hoping it'll cave in and swallow me whole. Wondering how the world keeps on spinning, kinda scared of living when it unfolds. Hard to see the light when everything is dying, waiting for the clear. Thankful I'm alive, but terrified of dying. But hey, I'm still here. Is it bad sometimes? I like it when I lose control. There's something in it that's so beautiful. Listen, I can see the light of day, but I can also see the bones decay. I don't know what else there is to say. I'm doing my best not to run away. Sitting throwing rocks across the pavement, hoping it'll cave in and swallow me whole. Wondering why my mind keeps on spinning. This isn't how living to me was so. Why am I like this? Something's always amiss. Can't put my finger on it, but it's there. Wait for it to subside, but my mind won't apply. Waiting for the clear. Is it bad sometimes? I like it when I lose control. There's something in it that's so beautiful. Listen, I can see the light of day, but I can also see the bones decay. I don't know what else there is to say. I'm doing my best not to run away.